Most trucks have 3 stages on the Jake brakes. Right now I got it on stage 1. It's snowing, it's kind of slushy. This is just to slow you down enough to where you don't skid off. Because put it on stage 3, it's gonna hold you back with such force you can actually skid off the road. So in this type of weather, when it's slushy like this, it's snowing, you can either use stage 1 or stage 2. You could use stage 3, but again, this is where it's slippery. So right now, wanna use stage 3. Some Jake brakes don't hold as strong as this one right here. But listen, this holds pretty much when you let go of the fuel. So in a lot of snow, you activate stage 3 and you can actually slip off, skid up the road. Right now it's slushy, it's not bad. So it's alright. But for this type you can either use 1, you can use stage 1 or stage 2, which is not bad at all. Then again, it's good when you're going down hills, but not use stage 3 going downhill when it's snowing. You gotta accumulate the snow a couple of inches, because when the Jake brake strong like this, it's gonna hold you back so hard. The momentum is gonna slow you down and you may end up skidding off the road. So stage 2, stage 1, okay. And if you can avoid it, even better. I use it. Helps me avoid the brakes all the time coming down hills. So for you guys that are out there beginning, dry conditions, stage 3 saves on the brakes. They don't overheat coming down mountains. It's just the way I use it. Definitely it's a plus having the Jake brake on the truck, and I recommend it. But again, if it's snowing, if it's raining, stage 1, stage 2, depending how strong your Jake brake is. Some Jake brakes now, they're not that strong, so you can use stage 3, which is not bad. But this one in particular, I know for a fact that once I let go of the fuel pedal and activates, I feel that it's holding me back. So this is strong Jake brake. So just be careful out there and make sure you know how to use your Jake brake when you're out on the road. God bless everybody.